Hello and welcome back, YouTubers. Well, in another day, another misadventure. We're gonna try and fire up the old Massey Ferguson here and see what happens here. Just a continuation of my hydraulic pump saga with this thing. So, anyways, we're gonna get on it here right away and take a kick at the old Massey Ferguson can, so to speak. So. We'll get you guys set up here right away here quick. So, anyways, you'll be the first to see if I got a major leak before I do. So we're gonna get the tractor fired up here. I'll get you guys right back here in a second. Well, let's see how this goes. Looks to be good. Nothing leaking, nothing dripping, nothing. Clean. Now, whether or not that's going to hold for the long term, I don't know. But good sign, it's pumping better than it probably ever has, because it's not sucking air through or passing oil through those orifices anymore, and everything's sealed up like it should. So if it keeps holding like that and working like it should, man, that hasn't worked that good in many years. So I'm pretty pleased with that it turned out as good as it has. So anyways, I gotta finish getting the sheet metal on it here. My brother is supposed to come back here in a little bit here and give me a hand, and we're gonna get the hood back on. That's the most clumsy thing. Then after that I can put the side panels and dress skirts on and all that, and get all the rest of the sheet metal on it. So it'll be back up and together here in fairly short order. So anyways, just like to say thanks again for everybody stopping by to check this out. This is probably going to be a short video here, just getting this old girl back up and running here. I got to get it hooked back up to the hay bine over there. And the next couple days here, we've been having some weird, very unsettled weather for early summer here. Now we're getting lots of rain and humidity. Right now, today it was over 30 degrees Celsius, which isn't horrible, but we had a terrible, terrible heat index. The humidity is just, you're just standing here and you're just dripping sweat or whatever. And they've got tornado warnings out here this evening, and all kinds of storm watches and warnings. So yeah, it's been an interesting time. But we're supposed to get some more settled dry weather here in the next couple weeks, or next week or so, a few days starting into it here. So I'm going to be hammer down, pedal to the metal, balls to the wall, whatever you want to call it. We're going to be, I'm going to be going here cutting like crazy, and I'll bring you guys along for that too. We'll be throwing down a bunch of hay, raking and baling, and we'll have everything out and going. So there'll be all kinds of more interesting content coming up. So if that's your thing, then be sure to come back and check it out. So in the meantime, thanks everybody for stopping in and checking out this video, and you know the deal. Please like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you folks all on the next one. Until then, take care.